If you're wanting to add an unusual herb to your herb garden that has a ton of uses and is easy to grow, listen in. Welcome, I'm Sherry Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. I am talking about lemon balm today. It was an herb that I normally hadn't thought of growing, but we added it and I'm so glad that we did. What are some of the benefits of lemon balm? One is that it repels mosquitoes, and you can take the leaves and mash them up, pour boiling water over them, and then once the water cools, spray it on you as bug spray, or you can just take the leaves, crush them, and rub them on your skin. Repels mosquitoes like nobody's business. And if you do happen to get stung by a bee, which I did this year, lemon balm will help relieve the pain of that sting. You just take the lemon balm leaf, crush it, chew it a little bit, and then put that on the sting, and it will relieve some of the pain. From a health benefit, of course, the main thing I started growing lemon balm for is relaxation. Having a cup of lemon balm tea, and later on, I'm going to show you how to dry the leaves to be able to do that. Two of the other unexpected benefits was the increase in antioxidants that you get in a boost in your body with lemon balm. I did not realize how many antioxidants it had. And related to that, it's also antibacterial. So if you get a little scrape, a cut, not deep cut obviously, but something on your skin and you're wanting to protect the skin from any type of bacterial infection, lemon balm is a great adjunct for that. How do you grow lemon balm? Well, it loves sun because in the sun it's going to get the most growth and most leaves, but it'll even handle part shade. So you can see behind me where we have the lemon balm plant growing, where it's supposed to grow. That's another story in a moment. The blackberry, we have them taken down now, but normally there's blackberry vines growing up behind me. And so it gives kind of a part sun, part shade, and they have flourished even with that little bit of shade. Soil, like all herbs, they don't like a ton of fertilization. So that makes it super easy to grow. You just get some decent soil and then let it go. Watering, once they're established, really for us, unless we have a long drought spell that we're having to water everything, we don't have to worry about watering them. Lemon balm is in the mint family. Guess what that means? It is going to spread, but it is a very slow spreader. Let me show you what's happened with our lemon balm. This is our original lemon balm plant, and it started as about a 3-inch plant, but you can see how large it has gotten now. And over the course of about 3 years, it did cross a little barrier underground and has now started a new lemon balm plant over here. But that's not a problem. We like it, we'll use it, and then we will dig it up so it doesn't mess with our tarragon that you see back there. How else can you use lemon balm? I mentioned for teas and for your skin and antioxidants and all that, but you can also use it in cooking. It is phenomenal, especially with anything that has a mint leaning, so that, because it's in the same family, so if you're having a fruit salad that you put mint in, lemon balm is a great addition. Chicken dishes, lemon balm is phenomenal in chicken dishes, so you can use it in cooking, you can use it in teas. I'm going to take you in now and show you how I dry the lemon balm leaves once I've harvested them. I've got 2 ways I love to dry lemon balm. One, and it makes the house smell so good, is to simply take the leaves, put them on a dehydrating sheet to go in the dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can also dehydrate on a low temperature in your oven. The other way is to take longer sprigs, a little bit of twine, and tie them together. This way is really nice if you have, which I actually bought specifically for drying herbs, any type of rack, and I just use a coat rack that I found, tie them up, and then hook them onto the coat rack. Once the leaves are dried, I simply crush them, Put them in a glass jar to store, and when I'm ready for a relaxing cup of tea, put out a scoop or two, boiling water, and enjoy relaxing. So are you thinking about growing lemon balm now? I promise it's easy. Let me know in the comments if you are, and if you already use lemon balm, what's a favorite recipe? What's a way that you like to use it? Thanks so much for being here. Remember to subscribe, click that bell so that you can get notification of when new videos come out. And as always, until next time, find your path and fulfill your unique potential.